Hey Glenn, thank you so much for giving us a quick video testimonial regarding the benefits that your wife has been seeing from her CBD use recently.
It'd be my pleasure to. Absolutely, it's been nothing but a success. She's a sweet thing, but she has degenerative disc disease, scoliosis, stenosis. She's riddled with arthritis, poor thing. And
What was her pain level, you think, when she started?
well, that I don't know, but I can tell you this. The reason we came here is she's been taking a full 800 milligrams of ibuprofen for over 20 years.
Wow.
Close to 20
And we know
years.
that's not good for the liver or the kidney,
that,
right?
Blow your kidneys out. And within 2 days, she stopped her ibuprofen completely.
Fantastic.
Her stress level came down noticeably. Where I can tell a little difference, a little twinkle in her eye, and her blood pressure has come down considerably, and her doctor is just thrilled.
That is wonderful. Thank you so much for letting us know how well she's doing. And the dosage you said was about half a dropper twice a day of the 500
10,
milligram?
Yeah. That's
Perfect. About 10 or
10
yeah, about 10 or 12 milligrams.
It.
Perfect. That's great. We're so happy to hear that she's doing better. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's been wonderful.
Outstanding.